Friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we use Poco phone hotspot setting a full setting guys. I will show you in this video guys. One by one, step by step guys. I will show you guys how can we use guys Poco phone hotspot setting guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Hence you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So let's click on guys your portable hotspot setting. First of all guys, you want to on your hotspot portable hotspot, so you can on. After on guys, you can use guys your portable hotspot setting. As you can check your password guys, you want to change this password, so when you can change from here. When you want to change your hotspot device name, so when you can change into guys only Poco phone, like that guys you can change guys. One time data limit guys you can set according to yourself guys. So when you want to change into guys GB and MB guys, you can change from here. One time data limit guys, you can on and off from here guys. And when you want to share your hotspot guys, you can share from here if you want. So like that guys, you can use guys your Poco phone hotspot setting. As you can say turn off hotspot automatically guys, you can on and off from here. And guys you can see your connected device setting guys, limited connection guys. If you click on 3, so guys only 3 device guys can connect your hotspot. Fourth it will not work. So like that guys, you can change your limited of connected device setting guys, you can change from here. So like that guys you can use. And last guys, you want to off, you don't want to use your hotspot setting, click on this icon, then get this hotspot setting will off, means your phone hotspot will not work, means your hotspot will off and guys you cannot use. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys. And guys, sorry for this sound guys, ignore this sound, I'm really sorry.